The last few years have brought massive changes in the way patrons consume media. But arts marketing in the digital age can seem overwhelming and leave your message lost, floating in the ether. Don't just shout into a void. Actually connect and engage your patrons wherever they are online, across display, video, search, social, and mobile. Mogo Arts audience targeting allows you to reach more customers and drive more revenue, simply, easily, and effectively. Have you ever visited a website featuring an ad that seems specifically tailored to your interests? Well, that's us. Mogo Arts is able to identify audiences most interested in your message and connect with them in real time. So, wherever they go online, we're waiting in the wings to serve them your ad. Instead of mass marketing to everyone, Mogo Arts focuses on those most likely to find your message relevant. Imagine, out of millions of people on the internet, we can connect you directly to your audience. Mass media is over. It's time to engage your audience.